Good morning to all the people from around the world. I hope you all are doing fine and are going to like and subscribe after watching this amazing, glorious and exciting video on this channel. I hope that the world will not be the same as it used to be after watching this video. Don't forget to share it with the people you know if you find these videos helpful to get by. Thanks.